with community renovation.
What up, y'all? Stallnecker here, back on location at the new studio house build. And because we're adding the studio to an original older farmhouse, some of the codes were different and didn't require house wrap back then, certain kinds of tape on the windows. So we've been doing that with the crew. This is the new studio edition, and we've gotten the old farmhouse now wrapped and taped all the way around as well, so that as the siding comes in, we will be up to code underneath the whole thing as well. Of course, doing all this on, I guess, what is gonna be reportedly one of the hottest days of the summer. 106, 103, something like that. Anyway, and we ran out of Crossroads wrap, so we've gone and gotten Home Depot wrap. So this was the original home, and there was no, as I said, required house wrap or window tape required. And since we're doing that to the new addition for the studio, we're going ahead and doing the whole house with house wrap, with the window tape, so that everything is up to code, everything is insulated properly. We've got a crew working on the side right now. And they're keeping it going. Bring it on around the side. Everything is wrapped. And what is that? Just insulation?
Yeah, insulating out the window.
We're gonna put plastic up, and then we're gonna start foaming the walls.
Foaming the walls.
It's your shower. You're actually your toilet. This is your shower. This is the vanity. But all of this is a foam insulation. And it's kind of like an ice chest.
You know, there's multiple different insulation options you can choose when building something. And I'm so glad we went with the spray-in foam insulation. And it's probably a little easier for the drywall guys to work with as well.
This, of course, will be a bedroom, and it'll have a deck out of the side that you can look at the trees. This will be a master closet in this bedroom. Then there'll be a tub and a shower here, tub there, and toilet in here, linen closet here, another closet here. All of this begins to take shape when the insulation is set in place and the rooms are walled in with the drywall to close off the environment. And it's really coming out beautiful.
From noise cancellation to waterproofing, keeping something at the same temperature, man, it really is like being inside an ice chest. I can't work there. Construction and writing music, creativity does not go hand in hand. I'm on my way to Nashville to get work done at the studio because it's not gonna happen in my house right now. Jesse! What's up, man? What up, bro? How are you? Man, there is a straight up war zone construction field going on in my house. You mind if I work here today?
Anytime, man. You know that.
Man, thank you. Let's get in.
Bedroom with 2 closets done completely in the back. This is the bathroom with a vanity here. This will be the toilet, the shower. You're gonna have the other girl's bedroom here. Both have really nice window views. This has 2 closets. And these 2 bedrooms and bath are all closed off to have their own little house going on with stairs going down.
Man, you know, drywall is an amazing thing. You see a bunch of 2x4s up in a structure. They're telling you this room's here and closets there. But when the drywall guys really come in and do their job, it takes shape. You really see what's going on. You start feeling the space. The mud guy and the taping is amazing, tying it all in. It's just so gratifying, and it just happens so quickly. So good news and bad news. I got called to fly out to Los Angeles and work on a new project. Gotta do that, but kind of upset I'm leaving this project unfinished. They say that the floors and the paint coming in are gonna just happen overnight almost, and I'm gonna miss it. And I kind of wanted to be here for the finishing touches. All right, so the build is completely done, and it is time to get some furniture and some pieces. And my girl Madison over at Nashco says she's got some great things for us. So we're gonna head that way today. Gonna take the wife with me because she's got a cool eye. See you there.
What's up?
How you been?
Okay, so as soon as you said studio, had a couple things picked out in mind.
Perfect.
I'll point them out to you. Tell me if you love them or if you hate them.
Christian hit me up a few days ago, said he's got a studio build going on right now.
So definitely this bookcase.
Yeah.
What do you
So I
think?
picked out a few pieces for him. I think he's really gonna like it, and I'm super stoked to be a part of this project.
Very industrial.
Yeah.
Matches the vibe, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
I like the wheels. I think the height will be fine. Yeah, that looks really good.
I don't need all these pillows,
I
but
really like that.
we'll put the Grammys and the CSAG awards on it and everything. It'll look cool and match with the big 4x4s up there on the wall. it'll be cool.
And then I saw this little accent cabinet. Thought it looked just like a speaker or an amp.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. I really like that.
Looks kind of like a Marshall stack.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you thinking?
Underneath the TV will look really good.
Look at you, girl. Just coming through class. Build more studios with me.
Okay, so I need some art to go above the couch that we have below. So I don't know if you have anything that would work.
Absolutely.
Kind of different. Yeah.
We just got some really cool funky ones in.
Ooh, I really like this. Yeah, what do you think?
Wow.
I think the color
That is awesome. I love that.
Yeah, I really like it. I think that'll work. Yeah.
Okay, so Madison hooked us up at the Nashville Furniture, and we're just stopping here at Home Goods to get a few bits and pieces to spruce up the studio. This might be an ongoing process. I like it. I don't need this somewhere.
You don't?
I think I need this somewhere.
You need it nowhere.
I will get it. Oh, so we can get those.
I'm saying on the
I love them
bookshelf.
everywhere. Yeah,
On the bookshelf.
Yeah, let's get it. How about that? Well,
What
this,
is in your hand?
this is.
What in
Wait
the
a minute.
world?
This.
I do not need that lamp. Absolutely not.
We're getting the lamp.
You want that mirror, but not that mirror.
I like lamps.
I don't think we're pillow shopping.
You say they look fake.
And we're getting the lamp.
Hey, I'm in line.
Okay, so right behind you.
Well, you got the cart, right?
Yeah.
All right, I've got the lamp.
So do you want this in a bag?
Yes, please.
Are you wanting to cock it to the left into the stairs, or you want to lift it, just go up, lift it up over the stuff?
We could do that.
It kind of, I mean, but you got this here. I just don't know what.
Hey, what about if I back it up and we just lift it up on the?
That's fine, yeah. Not here, but over here. Don't run over that septic tank. A little bit. Come on by.
Keep going.
Come on, come on, come on.
Got it. You ain't moving. Nick, more?
Now we got the big roll.
That shelf here, yeah.
Man, I'm too out of shape for this.
You catchers, because we got the upper.
Yeah, we gotta go up and over.
Yeah, y'all just be up there somewhere, and we barrel roll it over. I could actually stay.
Yeah, I can just, if I just want to hand it to Maddie, and you let Maddie talk.
Now, let that drop down, girl.
All them steps, though. All the steps, slide. Got it?
You want to go in there?
Yeah.
Sean, you go. I mean, Shane, go in there. And then we'll continue here now. Here. We got it. Yep. See what I'm saying? Yep. Yeah, that works. Get it. Yeah. Word. Wait a minute. What's the work are we? Are we good?
Hold on. Yeah, we should be.
Let's lift up. Yeah.
That feels like perfect.
This is why you have daughters. Make them work. I just want to give a special shout out to Wavebone. They sent me this unbelievable desk that we're gonna put together. Unfortunately, they didn't send me someone to put it together, so I'm relying on some of my good friends. I'm gonna go check them out, wavebone.com. I just think they're a really cool desk. There's gonna be a cool slide out 88 keyboard stand that goes underneath it. I bought a different, a certain package, but you can mix and match the different things they have. And these guys are awesome. Can't wait to put it together. Why are we opening this many boxes right now?
I don't know. Somebody told you to.
What are we doing?
Why do men make things so complicated?
All right, you ready now, baby? Come on, man.
We don't need instructions. This don't make sense. So at least we're using the correct bolts.
What is this? I need a bigger one.
I need a place to set my lamp.
So Sunny, pull that over there, and we're gonna take E, and we're gonna come across. Put it in the hole. Go down. Go down. There should be a. See how this here's a here? Yeah, sure. So I'm gonna put my next hand.
That's what you said. We have to turn it upside down.
You guys think we need power tools?
Hey, I need a break.
Dude, you just got here.
You know that's one piece and it makes 500 others. So that what come out of this box is gonna go on that thing that came out of another box.
Yep. Flip it around.
What we shouldn't do is look at the directions.
I can do it with my eyes closed. Or maybe this one ain't supposed to go here. Where's the Allen wrenches?
Guys, I think we need the instructions.
We don't need the instructions.
I have power tools.
All right, so the build is done. We've got furniture in the studio. Now it's gear and music. We've got some great hit writers coming over. We're gonna write this record, and we can't wait to see you there. See you soon.